the Master answers. Little by little, he reveals the secrets of the teachings. How to meditate. Where should the eyes be focused during meditation? The Tibetans do not meditate with their eyes closed but open, sometimes focused on the tip of the nose. The body must be completely relaxed and immobile in a posture that can be maintained without difficulty for several hours. Some tantric meditations are based on visualizations, visions for which no drug, no magic mushrooms are necessary. These meditations last for several hours, or even several days. The yogis use a belt to support the body in a position that is sufficiently comfortable. Tibetan yogis distinguish 5 centers or wheels in the body. The root center, the center at the navel, the center at the heart, the center at the throat, and the center at the head, called the 1,000-petaled lotus. The yogis also describe the circulating currents of energy in the body. The 2 main currents flow alongside the spine, one ending at the left nostril and the other at the right nostril. The energy or prana that animates the whole universe enters the body through the air we breathe and circulates in these subtle energy channels, or nadis. This shows the importance of certain breathing exercises, particularly the watchful and conscious participation in this process of breathing that begins with the baby's first breath and ends with the dying person's last. This yogi asked me the question, "Do you know how to recognize a true master?" By the way he laughs, he answered himself, and effectively dissolved into